All right, well this is my exercise for today. Just doing a run in the park because I can't go rollerblading. And yeah, as you can tell, we've had some pretty crazy weather as of late. Oh my God, these puddles are about ankle deep. But yeah, the rain's just been coming down for about a week now as we go run through the park. So yeah, I was gonna rollerblade down the hill, but I don't have any brakes on my rollerblades, and I was worried how if I slide over my rollerblades. I haven't fallen off my rollerblades in a very long time, but I just don't want to do it when it's wet. I'm wearing this jacket that I bought in America. In Oregon it rains all the time. Brought it back to Australia. I've probably worn it once or twice since I was here, because it never rains here except the one time it does, and then it doesn't stop. But yeah, as you can see, everything's pretty much covered. Oh my God, I'm getting so wet walking through these puddles. Everything's just pretty much flooded. Wonder how smooth this video is going to turn out, because I'm not rollerblading today, I'm running. Camera could be jumping up and down. But anyway, I've got motivation to run fast today because I don't want to make a boring video, but we'll keep going for a run. And yeah, it's a magpie in the field there. I've often wondered why birds, never see them take shelter in the rain. But yeah, don't think there's going to be any soccer anytime soon. Bit of a puddle there at the goal, but that's all right. So this is not meant to be a stormwater drain at all. I have no idea where all this water's coming from. Oh my God. I don't know. It's about, I don't know. It's above my ankle. It's quite a giant puddle here. I'm gonna get out of it because it's slippery. And keep running. Because yeah, I'm never motivated to exercise, but I am motivated to make videos. So I guess it's just a way to trick myself to exercise as the puddle just keeps getting bigger and bigger. There's probably no way I could have run through that. I could, but it'd probably take all my energy. But yeah, 2 more weeks worth of work and then on my holidays after Easter. So that's pretty exciting. Looking forward to that. I'm not sure why all these cars are here because of the rain. Oh, maybe that's indoor soccer. But yeah. So some of these drains get like no work until the rain comes down. And then we really need it. Whoa! Oh, that's super duper slippery. So yeah, there's no flooding around my house, which is good. I live on a hill, and There's no road closures around here anyway. I know there is some in town, but who knows, hopefully the rain will stop soon. All right, here's a bit of a juncture, but it's all right. It's not as deep as I would have thought it'd be, but we'll keep following it and see how we go. Yeah, I was hoping to see like raging floodwaters. That looked good on the camera, but I'm also glad it's not super duper bad. Just so everyone's safe. All right, another T-junction, and oh, don't you just love that feeling when you go and step in the mud, and the mud comes through your toes? But yeah, this isn't meant to be a drain. It's probably half out my leg. Like, it's like a bit of concrete. It is sloped, so when things overflow, but I guess it just shows that it's been raining for at least 3-4 days straight now. Oh, sorry ducks. Yeah, I just stepped on a log, but what can you do? It's just part of going barefoot. I love going barefoot. In fact, I want a year of my life barefoot. Everyone hates me because I always tell this story, but yeah, when you go barefoot, you get kicked out of a lot of places. So many restaurants and things won't let you in wearing bare feet, which is a bit sad. But yeah, after a while your feet toughen up. Yeah, about once a year you might step on a piece of glass, but I don't know, just feel more in touch with nature when you go on bare feet, and you get more grip as well. There's nothing worse than wearing shoes or wearing thongs when it's muddy. But yeah, this drain, it's not overflowing, which is good. All right, let's keep running and see what else we can find. What do you guys think? Should you be allowed to go barefoot? Is it a health and safety issue, or is it a personal choice issue? Lots of birds out today. Maybe the rain makes all the worms come up. I don't know. But yeah, very rarely do I see the birds taking cover from the rain. But yeah, so far the video has motivation's working, because I'm not bored. Oh my god. Yeah, just stepped in a big mud hole. But that's why I do this. Right, we'll go check out the river, see if the river's overflowing. Probably not, because it's a big one. No, gonna go back on the grass, because the grass is more grippy than the concrete today. Yeah, it's a smart decision to not rollerblade. Well, actually, we've got some sort of emergency thing happening. But yeah, looks like the river is not usually this big. Like, usually there's a layer of rocks like that there. But yeah, here you can see that there's more water than usual. And I'm not sure what the flashing lights are for. This place seems pretty abandoned. Oh, not pretty abandoned, but not that many people here. But I'll let the paramedics do their thing. yeah, maybe it's some sort of hazard. They don't want people to go near it, so I better not go near them. All right, looping back around. We'll go check out the lake. Hopefully, haven't got much water on the lens, but what can you do? It's raining, hasn't stopped raining for 4 days. But there was 10 minutes where it didn't rain yesterday, and I did manage to move some boxes into my new house. 10 minutes not raining, I'm like, right, that's it, get in the car, go now. All right, yeah, you got me. After 10 minutes, I need to have a break. Yeah, I'm not super fit, but making a video, it's good motivation. So this drain's kind of piling up. Yeah, there's no way I'd be able to rollerblade in this. Look at this. Rollerblades would hit that and fall over. Here come some seagulls. Now I think they're camping this spot out because it's where the fishermen dump their fish. But probably not going to be much luck today. All right, let's keep running. Hey, long video getting up my watch time. But yeah, I don't know who's gonna watch it. I know, I'm more just making it for me. I guess sometimes when you make a YouTube video, you might think, who's my target audience? My other channel's doing alright, so that one makes specific videos. This channel's just making it for fun, really. But if you want to watch my adventures, I don't know if they're crazy adventures, they're okay adventures. I guess you can. And oh, yeah, I thought I could walk to the lake from here, but gonna have to go round. Thanks, Lloyd. I wonder what they're building here. Looks like a interesting structure. Maybe a stage for performances. All right, back to it. That's my face halfway through the run. I don't know if I look like a drowned rat or not. Should have wore a hat. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go all the way around. Thanks, fence. All right, let's check out the lake. Yeah, you might see some water in front of us. This isn't a lake. These are just puddles. But yeah, as you can see, the park has turned into a lake. Could probably get some inflatables out. Go for a bit of a float in the park if you wanted to. I actually quite like this. It's like Spears Point's version of the walking street. Just walking up down here on a night time. It's actually quite cool when there's like an event on. You can actually kind of use it as a walking street. All right, go for a big jump. Yep, there's no way I could rollerblade today. Maybe I could go snorkeling on this path, but yeah. Nope, still not at the lake yet, another puddle. All right, and here it is, beautiful Lake Macquarie, and yeah, you can tell that something's happening because one, the lake's usually not that brown, and two, it's hard to see in the distance, but the water's coming a fair bit up the jetty. So yeah, we've definitely had a lot of rain in the past couple of days. All right, only one thing left to do, and that's head back to the car, try and run as fast as I can, because the camera's gonna run out of battery. Yeah, that's interesting, like the water just runs down this little channel. I wonder if that's natural, that's man-made. Oh, look at the exercise station. So I guess you could do your pull-ups here, or do some swimming on there as well. All right, big finish. Let's go for the sprint home. All right. Here we are at the cannon. Thanks for watching. I just thought I'd test the GoPro out and see how it goes in the rain, because I've never taken it in the wet before. But yeah, that was my run. I know, it's just like an interesting day. Days like this don't happen too often in Australia. Like, you know, it might rain properly once or twice a year. All right, catch you later.